Attach the left and right brackets to the corresponding slots on each side of X-axis pantograph rail. Tighten the screws. Apply sewing machine oil to the needle bar driving parts. Apply 2 to 3 drops of sewing machine oil on the race of the rotary hook. Separate the inner and outer embroidery frames. Put the backing paper on the outer frame first. Then put the outer frame and backing paper into the clothes. Lay the clothes flat. Tighten the outer frame. Tighten the inner frame. Insert the bracket arm. Insert the power cord. Insert the plug into the power socket. Press the switch. Insert the USB. Click Design Selection on the home page to enter the Design Management page. Click Hoop Selection on the home page. Enter the hoop selection page. Select the hoop that corresponds with the hoop you're using. Click Color Sequence Settings on the home page. Enter the Color Sequence Settings menu. Click Color Matching. Select the spool to which you want to assign a color. Set according to the design and the embroidery thread placed to match the thread spool that is placed on your machine. Select Color Sequence Settings again. Click to select the color sequence step to be modified. Then click the needle bar number button you want to use on the right. The corresponding color block will be updated to the color on the needle bar number. Return to the home page. Click Start to start embroidery.